Hi guys, welcome to Padova. This is Hop. I'm back to my hometown and I've decided to live paint in one of my favorite gardens of the city center. I took my sketchbook and this time I'm painting with watercolors. I think you can try even by yours. This is a really easy sketch. You just take some notebook and colors with yours and go for a walk. As you can see, I start firstly with some general shapes of the nature and the buildings. Then I start little to add some details here and there. You can just play sometimes with textures and colors. By myself, I prefer to really enjoy playing with the colors and don't care too much about the perfection. I love when they mix with the other lines of the drawing. Just remember, you should decide which level you're working on, and in this case I'm playing with putting the darkest color in the front and the lighter on the back. This will help you to add some perspective to your light paint. Then just play with the brush, enjoy even the view and relax. And here, this is a special and cool tip you can add to your live paint. Just take some pen and play with it, add some characters, some detail. I think this can be really useful tip for you. And this is how it came in the end. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy it.